Hazrat Miswar bin Makhrama radiyallahu anhu says, Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu proposed Abu Jahl's daughter. When Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha heard this news, she visited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, "Your people think that you do not get angry in connection with your daughters. That's why Hazrat Ali is going to marry Abu Jahl's daughter." So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up. The reporter says that he heard that he, after reciting Tashahhud, said, "To proceed, I married one of my daughters to Abul As bin Rabi, and he proved what he said to me. And undoubtedly Fatima radiyallahu anha is a part of my body. I don't like her being pinched. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the daughter of Allah's Apostle and the daughter of Allah's enemy cannot combine in the marriage of one person." So Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu dissolved that betrothal. Hazrat Muhammad bin Amr bin Halhala bin Shihab adds with reference to Ali and Miswar, "I heard that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam talked about his relation with Bani Abd Shams and praised his being his son-in-law, saying, he proved himself the best of the relatives, and whatever he said, fulfilled it, and whenever he promised me, redeemed it." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3729.